Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody posted this picture on Facebook and asked how to change it and vectorize it, and you can see it is a pixelized image, but it is pretty good quality. Right down here, it's already bitmap, but it's 300 by 300 dots per inch, which is still good. You still need to convert it to a bitmap, and you want to use black and white. Now go up to trace and trace it. I use outline clip art for the most part all the time, and that looks pretty good. So hit OK. Now we can get rid of our other one, but we're going to take a rectangle and fill it with yellow, put it on the back of the page, and you can see all the white that's in it. So let's click on our item. And go to Object, Group, Ungroup Object, and then just click on one of the white and just move it out of the way. And it's taken all the white, so now it's transparent. Now this image is pretty good. You wouldn't have to change anything. There's a little bit of a squiggle right in here, and depending on how big this is going to be, I would click on your item and go up to Object and ungroup it again, because now you're ungrouping the black. Let's zoom in here. I just see a couple real problems. Right here, I would take out these two nodes. And it all depends on how big you're going to make this. If it's real little, nobody's going to see the imperfections. And if it's big, then you can clean it up a little bit. That looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. Maybe take out a few of these nodes and just kind of play around with it. Actually went too far. But that is pretty much done and ready to engrave. Now our next question was how to change the names. So in lieu of making a long video, I think I'm going to stop this video, and this is text the path, but I'm going to show you a new little trick, possibly. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.